Good morning, everyone, and Jai Hind. Welcome to all for gathering here. And Mr. Anurag, you are the president of your party. So I granted you permission to speak.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I want to put my development into the floor of the House. We are ruling the nation from two consecutive terms, from 10 years, and we did tremendous job in every field. Suppose when I was not in power, India was in 10th largest economy. Now India is 5th largest economy. The opposition party destroyed the whole country. The condition of the nation was very poor. We did lot of things in every sector. Suppose in education sector, government when they were in power, they did not do anything for the education sector. I personally want a nation who is much educated. Yes. So I digitalized the whole education system. Even you can watch any video on YouTube if you want to develop some skills. Not in education sector, Honorable, in every sector, health sector. COVID-19 was very challenging phase for the nation. Even many developed countries were in great trouble. If you see the condition of America and China, they were struggling. But my government, on the behalf of you, sir, and the people, sir, we did tremendous job. We completed even more billions of tikas, and now we are healthy. We have no problem. The environment is growing. Everywhere is calm. Everybody want to put some effort in the development of the country. Yes, sir. One day we will be with the first country in the world. Yes. In economic terms, in social terms, and in every sector.
Anurag Bhaiya Zindabad.
Honorable sir, I want to cite some misconceptions that are there of the opposition party. They are very conservative in nature. They don't
Speaker, sir,
want
they
to.
have done that time. Please ask us also.
Let
They
him complete.
completed.
Let him complete.
Please look at time, sir. They completed.
Let him complete.
So the behavior of the opposition party, they don't want to build a nation. We want to build our nation. They just want to come on the power. They want to misuse the power. They want to misuse the resources of the country. And sir, it will be great disaster when they will come, because we have a proper plan. We have that capability to deliver. Even my ministers are doing tremendous job in every sector. My home ministry is doing good. My finance ministry, and especially I want to thank my foreign minister who did lot of things.
Yes.
Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, we are organizing G20 Sammelan. It is cultural Sammelan. Even many people, diplomats are coming. They are seeing the culture of the city of India. They are now safe. They are going to Kashmir, they are going to Kanyakumari, they are going every part of the country, and they are investing lot of the things. And one day we will be developed and we will be prosperous. But one obstacle that these opposition parties are creating, they want to destroy. And now they are gathering. They are just corrupted. They are the mixture of the corrupted MPs. Yes. I have seen. They are, and even sir, Honorable sir, even CBI, ED is changing. So that's why they are gathering. And they want to defend not the country, even they want to defend ourselves, sir. So I want to conclude my point, and this short notice. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rishabh, President of Ukta Bharat. I give to permission to speak.
Thank you, Speaker sir, to giving me chance, because you giving me the less chance because we are the opposition. And I would like to thank for ruling party leader Mr. Anurag because he delivering the lies of their party. I am the MP of Jaunpur, and in Jaunpur there is no improvement. In Jaunpur there is nothing to do anything. And he said about G20 summit. He only decorate the city when outsider come. Then they take the product and take to their home. They only use the plant for their home decoration, not for their city decoration. And he also talk about their finance. I talk about something. The cost of the cylinder is going around 2 lakh rupees for per cylinder. What was your finance minister doing? You talk about your foreign minister. Your foreign minister was doing nothing in foreign. They only eat chai and pakoda in foreign.
This is the hesitation. Honorable Speaker, this is the hesitation.
Mr. Speaker, their Ayodhya MP is capturing in video to stolen the samosa in shop. This is your MP. This is your MP.
I found you eating Gujarat Dasnape. I found you eating Gujarat Dasnape. I found you eating Gujarat Dasnape. What about
You
it?
not pay there. You not pay there. You
Your
stolen.
video.
Now I would to call my MPs to defeat the ruling party.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Speaker for this honorable opportunity given by him to me, so that I could raise my voice for the nation, for the development of the nation. And right now, I'm feeling highly privileged and honored that we have been selected, or we have been chosen twice by the majority, by the people.
By EVM corruption.
They are really jealous.
Don't interrupt.
Sir, don't interrupt. A wise man speaks less.
Yes, that's why you always just speak.
Good, yeah. Don't interrupt. I want to say don't interrupt.
Wise man, let's speak.
So, I am the MP from Ayodhya. I would like to tell you about what I did for that place. I just had made Ram Mandir. I made the international airport. I made the G20 summit to be conducted there. And we have literally focused for the digitalization of the country.
Yeah.
When we were not ruling, I would like to tell you, when we were not ruling, the condition was worst. We cannot even imagine from where to start and from where to end.
Yeah.
Because they have left nothing
That's
for
why
the
you start
development.
from land. That's why you start from
Sir, don't interrupt us, not your chance. We are, okay.
Don't interrupt.
Speaker, sir. Oh, speaker, we are not here to listen any lies.
You guys are so overconfident. We are in majority.
Because
And Honorable Sir, I want to respect you in the behalf of the chairman of the house that this is our turn and these MPs are interrupting. So I will request you to ban these MPs and especially this guy because he is distraught.
Yes, sir.
And please let me talk. Okay? Please, without the authority.
Oh, sir, how you can take? They are not able to speak. They are telling
You
to destroy
sit
us.
down.
Oh, shut up. You shut up. You shut
You
up.
don't know
You shut up.
anything.
Please tell them. Please tell them to maintain the decorum. No, please tell them. Please tell them. Please tell them. What MP of Bengaluru? See, this is the Prime Minister of our country. See.
Just don't make cock and bull stories. Shut your mouth, all of you.
Yeah.
The person, sir, speaker, sir, please talk.
Please try to convey the speech. He is not. They are not ready to
Just
listen.
don't
Sir.
try to hide your fault. Don't try to hide your fault.
I am here to expose your
I
life.
would like to request Honorable, please let them be quiet for a moment because barking dogs seldom bite. And also, I would like to say that we have made
Sometimes barking dogs are biting.
No, don't disturb.
this temperament, your this issue,
Please continue. Right, ma'am, please continue. Continue.
your this
Then you have
issue.
You are disturbing the whole. You are killing the time of the parliament.
Now this whole nation will see that how are you going to destroy this country by your this nature. By their this nature, this behavior, they are going to destroy this nation. They are harmful for the nation. And I also want to raise question: what about the health? What about the safety of women? Before 10 years, there were lots of rape cases. There was not even a single investigation made. Honorable, I would like to raise question to all of them. Also,
They were killing. They were killing the whole nation. Yes.
Also, I would like to raise my opinion to Mr. Abdullah. Before 10 years, he gave one statement that we are going to make policy of family planning.
Yes, yes. It was all false.
But he himself want to marry at 22. He is promoting everyone to marry at 22.
These MPs opposition.
How hypocrite they are! How hypocrite they are! They are not sticking into their own words. How they are going to develop for this nation? How they are beneficial? People are so aware.
Sir, he has his time.
Because they have no point that far.
Okay, thank you, sir. That was all.
First of all, I would like to thank my Speaker, sir, and my President, Mr. Kharge. I would here to say something. I was ex-Home Minister and Defense Minister. Please see that time, how safe, how the boundary are safe, how the country is safe. Please look at their face. Seema is coming, Anju is going, Sachin is coming, Anju is going. They are talking about safety.
You can't continue this, yeah?
And one thing, Speaker sir, oh please don't interrupt me. Speaker sir,
And you were continuously
Please, sir,
interrupting.
please.
And then what?
Speaker sir,
I will interrupt if
Please,
something
please,
is problematic. Yeah.
please.
No, I am not going to speak like
Please,
this.
sir, we will
Because
give
Manita
answer.
has faced lot of challenges.
Please sir, my colleague look like Nirmala Sita Raman, the Minister of Ayodhya. He said I was taken oath about family planning. Please look at her. She has 8 children and is planning 9 months. I was talking about my family planning.
Where this guy is coming from?
From
Also
Bangalore,
tell
ma'am,
me.
I have your whole data
You
from
are
Wikipedia.
not at all
You have 8
knowledgeable.
one. And
You are
your
not.
husband told me your husband
keep
planning is
everything
9 one.
you
Your
make.
husband is planning 9 one. I just have 2 children. You have 8 children. And you are
will
talking about family. How you are talking about it? Shame on you. Shame on you.
will
Shame
not
on you.
consider it.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on
How can
you.
you say that?
Shame on
sir. Let's one thing, sir. They are our Prime Minister.
They have lost their mind, sir. They have lost their mind because they are in opposition.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Let us complete. Our Prime Minister look like Lalu Prasad. He told about education. Please, our team. We made IITs, we made IIMs, we made JNU, we made Jamia Millia. We made just Shauchale, and in Shauchale there is no water. They are always sitting from Shauchale. And Speaker, let me complete. They told us.
I think he's confused a little bit.
Our man, the mother
Time has over, I think.
told us before time.
I think he is drunken, sir. He is drunken.
Please,
Because
sir, please.
behavior, see this behavior. He is not respectable towards women. So how will he lead the country?
Oh, sir.
He will
Sir,
destroy.
sir,
I want.
May I complete, ma'am? This time,
See the facial expression, sir.
equal opportunity.
It will kill the country, sir. Don't allow the speakers.
Win this time. Every
You have no words, sir.
women equality, ma'am. Do you want women equality?
Yes, I want.
Then, if she wants women equality, if she defend men, we will defend them. This is equality, not just equality. Just get a job. It is not equality. Okay.
He is speaking anything. No logic, no sense.
Yeah. Huh?
You have 30 seconds.
Sir, how is possible? You gave them 37 minutes just for me. You are biased, sir. No, it is not possible,
Sir.
sir. You gave them 7
Sir, condition.
How is possible?
Sir, condition of opposition parties, they are blaming the honorable.
Last bit. Okay, sir, we have
And
last
it will kill the democracy, sir. They are blaming the honorable, sir, speaker. And it will falter you. Nobody will respect you. Sir, he is neutral.
Sir, please, let him complete. Let me complete.
They don't have any.
You are only 30 seconds. Please complete it. Yeah?
Sir, you are not speaker. You are not allowed to decide. Yes, I am negotiating.
You are wasting the time for.
I am negotiating with speaker. Yes, sir. Sir say our ma'am, Mr. Nirmala Sitharaman said we have
Mr. No, Mr. Mrs.
Mrs. Sitharaman.
He is out of control, sir.
Yes, I am out of
I think he is
control.
drunken.
You
He is
have-
drunken.
Yes. No. Last. Please give me 1 minute, sir, to complete last one. Miss says we have won second time also. He should won, ma'am. Please see our one minister. It is Mr. Ajit Pawar. Is the corrupt? No, he's traveling
not
in this
Ajit
state.
Pawar.
No, he's Gutka Khulaiya. How is
Lal Krishna Advani. You have confusion, right? No, he is Lal Krishna Advani. What is your name?
My name is Mushid Ahmed.
Oh, sir, they are starting to manipulate their name also. They are manipulate their name also. They are manipulate their name also. They are manipulate their name also. Best. Okay, sir. Please tell them.
He has completed his time. Sir, he has completed his time. Have a seat.
Good morning, all of you. I am very thankful to speaker to giving me the opportunity to speak here. I am the MP of Lucknow. We have done many things in Lucknow.
No, don't interrupt.
Just listen.
You are killing the democracy. Don't interrupt like this, yeah?
Yes. Don't interrupt.
Please follow the protocol. Honorable is there.
Yes.
Sir, you are the MP of
We have developed many facilities in Lucknow, like 1090 women helpline. We can save women. But before 10 years there were nothing. There were many crimes, but there is nothing like. And we provide many facilities during COVID-19. We distribute free vaccines. Yes. But your government was sleeping that time.
Don't interrupt.
Don't interrupt me. Let's complete it.
And by the way, I am not Ajit Pawar.
Yeah, good morning everyone. Just as we are discussing our topic, like ma'am shared some point that they are the mature person and they decided like they made the temple in the Ram Ayodhya also, and if I want to say that that was the very important for us also. But what about the poor peoples? Like they wanted a good education also, and but in the we talk about the government schools and the poor people. They promised it that they will provide the food and the beverage all the poor people in the very low price, and the good education also. If you are able to go in the primary schools and see the teachers there, so there are no teachers to teach the student in the education. Okay? And if you are able to, like, if you have any time, so go the primary schools and ask the student like how many syllabus they are attending in the class. So they don't have any knowledge about their syllabus. They are not able to, they are not able to tell the syllabus like Hindi, English, and they have the only knowledge about the 3 subjects, Hindi, English and science, and they are not able to tell about the computer and the GK, and they don't have any idea about this criteria. Yeah. So what about this? If you are the mature person, so look after this also. Yes. So what about this? So this is not mandatory time that you are the looking after the temples and the look after the poor peoples also. They are the hungry and they are the facing multiple issues regarding health. So what about these things? Yeah.
This shows, sir, this shows the mentality of my party. This shows the mentality of my party. This the woman speaker was speaking. We were listening everything.
Continuously.
But this Abdullah, who is not now represented, because I am going to give him a very good fight from the Bangalore.
Sir, please, speaker, sir.
No, don't interrupt. Don't interrupt. He is interrupting the thing.
Speaker, sir, please say we are not allowed to chair our person. Speaker, sir, say.
See.
Speaker, sir, say something.
See.
You are allowed.
We are allowed.
She was criticizing continuously. I had that capability.
Because I had some point
to listen.
regarding this, because we are
Had that capability to listen. But
Sir, please sit down.
Mr. Abdullah.
Sir, please sit down. Now listen. We have listened properly. Now you.
and I want to answer all the questions that are belonging to this MP, because I know she is quite humble in nature, and I respect the women because and I humbly want to request you, sir. This person is continuously interrupting the audience, the parliament, and taking and snatching the important time of the parliament.
Sir,
He is don't.
I am exposing them. I am exposing
You have to control the parliament.
Say about her. Please,
Yeah.
yes. Don't go with
But he is not ready to talk.
Abdullah, please.
He is not ready to talk. He is continuously interrupting the things.
That's why I always come to.
So let me complete. First,
You have to complete.
she has completed. I have listened. This is the democracy, na?
Guys, you guys
You
are
are.
MPs. You guys are MPs. It doesn't look like that you're MP. You are like, looking.
Mashri Mandi.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's not good. Respect in a speaker. Actually.
Yeah.
Try to.
Honorable MP has mentioned that I have a problem in education sector. She is talking about past. Even though I know each and every MP how she or he is much hardworking. Even this lady is not going to ground to see. She is less prepared. She is talking like this. Now India is signing. Now India is signing.
We were facing in the past.
Now India is
So
signing.
What about the now? We are not.
Now
facing
India
this
is
thing.
signing.
In the
Now
poor
India
people,
is
we are
writing.
facing
Now
much
India
problem.
has
Not yet.
great place in the
As
country.
I am saying that it
We
will
are going to approach, ma'am.
At the end also.
You are not from the background. Go and see. The
And this is
education
not
sector
problem
has
only
improved a lot.
education, regarding job
Even
also.
in Prathmik Vidyalaya, and they are just shouting. They are not doing, and this mentality will kill you. You are in minority.
We are
You did not
shouting
introspect.
because of the reason.
You did not introspect ki why I am in minority. You are in minority because you have no plan. You are just shouting. You are killing the precious time of the father. You are killing. Okay, all right, sir. Honorable sir, I will request my other MPs to put forward and make the nation build, right?
Stand.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Anukeshri. I am from Akhand Bharat Rashtriya Party.
MP who read their contribution.
It is acceptable. It is acceptable. It is.
And you are also doing these things.
Don't worry, they are very easy. Don't worry.
Hey guys, looking, they are also just note down our points. They also. And now what just.
First Anukeshri, then please you continue.
Yeah, I'm from MP of Gorakhpur. So I mean, there are so much education system, and even in Gorakhpur, IT sector, IT hub, and in compared to is Lucknow, they are so much growing in Gorakhpur. So in future, after 2 and 3 years, metro also there, metro city. So what do you want?
Please, Gorakhpur will become metro.
And look, this size of MPR, look, Vartika, I mean, he full look like China shop. Yes. Yeah, who is make like MPs? Yeah, I don't know who is make. I mean, who is choosing this size of people? I don't know.
He is commenting our personalities. Is not allowed, sir.
You also, they guys also just comment. And Mr. Abdullah, sir, hello speaker sir, and Mr. Abdullah also said my MP look like Lalu Prasad. Why? How can they like Lalu Prasad? Yeah, sir, Mr. Abdullah, he said also my MPs, he said like he look like a
Lalu not said Alu Prasad. He looks like Alu.
no Lalu. Why are compared to any other? Why are compared?
Divya, please maintain.
So all of you, good morning. My name is Divya Singh. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to stand in front of you and explaining about my points.
Ma'am, can you speak? I can't hear properly because you are a bit shy. Like, I think.
She is not trying to articulate in a loud way.
At least we are just here normal. At least we are just hearing.
I think she's not confident.
Yeah. Who is make? I don't know this type of people.
Please speak up.
Yes. Our MP is not confident. We are going to win again.
So about we are talking about women's safety.
Wow, what a good point. Yes, sir. I don't know. Women's safety itself is the point, man. You can't expect to talk like this, women's safety. You are not like this. You
behave like this.
Abdullah, you maybe please listen to Divya.
Women in these days, women are not safe in.
Ma'am, speak confidently. This is not your social.
Just try to listen.
Okay, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
So guys, in these days or in this generation, women are not safe. As say, there are many cases come to day by day. Like in recently Delhi case. Mumbai cases.
I am literally crying.
But in Delhi, your government is.
Yeah.
No, I'm from Mumbai government.
Good morning to all of you. Thanks to dear Honorable Speaker for giving me the chance. And I'm Asif Ghazi MLA of Barabanki.
Wow, very nice.
Sorry. MP. No, I'm MP of Barabanki. MP, sorry, MP of
Don't say this, yeah?
So, in my...
Yes.
Dear Speaker, in my period, I made lots of bridge in Barabanki. I made Safedabad bridge. I made Barabanki Dema bridge. But there, what are you doing?
And you beat Rajeshwar Park.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yes.
In my period, road are very good. But now road is damaged completely.
Road is not damaged.
For period, people are crying because crossing. There is no underground way or bridge. So when crossing is closed, so there are very heavy traffic in Barabanki. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
I am doing very well. But you are not seeing. You are only seeing your house. In your house there are holes, not in roads. We do many efforts for the development of the Barabanki, and we do many efforts for the pollution-free Barabanki. We enhance the system of education system. We enhance the education system, and we do for many for girls, and we destroy the corruption.
Yes, the corrupting government was.
We destroyed the corruption.
Good morning everyone, this is me Vartika. I am MP of Lucknow. Thank you dear speaker having me this opportunity. These politics, their promises, lot of the promises. Use the oily tongue. Use the oily tongue, lot like end the poverty. But lot of the people is there sleeping in the footpath. What? Where is the promises? Where is the promises? Use the only oily tongue. Ma'am, where is your promises? Lot of the people is sleeping in the footpath.
Because of that,
not my words. No.
You have completed your time, ma'am.
And education is a system is also lost.
Okay, have a seat. You both have.
So, in a nutshell, just want to say thank you for this institution for giving us such a beautiful platform where we can do such activities where that we haven't done so far, and it was a great moment that we all have spent here, and whatsoever we fought here, we shouted here, it was all just our aggression because we literally want something for this nation. And at last, just want to thank all of you. Thank you, sir, for having this beautiful time with us, for giving us such a beautiful platform. Thank you.
Very nice.
As I like the sir and ma'am share all the things, today we are sharing the mind opinion and the topic, and it's not taking like a personal thing, just we are learning here, and we made a group and we divided into two parts for the sharing the things, because we are want to some learning thing, because we don't get these environment outside. So just we made the fun movement and for the learning something and for the sharing something, how to speak these things in the public area when we face in the real situation. Just we are creating the things that if we face like that, so how we will handle that. And we are not doing these things in a such of kind, that we are creating the things. And this is the platform.
Hey, this was all about today. You know, we did this activity not to offend anybody, not to hurt anybody. This was all about making people speak. Our motive is to make people speak and have a great communication skill. Sometimes we need to be aggressive. Sometimes we need to be offended here to make people speak. Some of the people were being offended. They were not from here. They were just from here. So thank you very much for watching. And yes, I want to thank you so much for giving so many subscribers. And I hope within 20 days, you are going to cross 1 lakh subscribers. I hope so. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.